If I tell you about a habit that completely transformed my life, it would be journaling. I have been consistently journaling for many years, and honestly, it has brought numerous positive changes to my life. In this video, I will share the science behind journaling, the correct way to start it, and the 3 levels of journaling. Additionally, I'll share tips and questions that can bring positive changes to your life. So let's get started. Before answering this question, let's uncover the secret behind it. Did you know that your thoughts and data are your greatest assets? But if you don't utilize them properly, someone else might take advantage of them and turn them into a business opportunity. How others use your thoughts and data. Let's understand this. 1. Digital footprints and data mining. Whenever you search for something online or ask questions on social media, you unknowingly share your thoughts and problems with others. Big companies and smart entrepreneurs utilize these data points. Tools like Google Trends, ChatGPT conversations, and social media analytics help them understand what topics people are interested in and what problems they want solutions for, such as, let's say you search on Google, how to reduce stress. An entrepreneur will study this data, design an app, or write a book on stress relief techniques. Later, you might pay to use that app or buy that book, even though the idea for solving your problem originally came from you. 2. Research leads to solutions and businesses. Successful people study your questions and create actionable products and services based on them, such as, if 10,000 people ask on YouTube or Reddit, how can I improve time management? A successful individual will identify this pattern, create an ebook or an online course, and earn money from it. The key difference here is that they take action based on your questions and problems, while you miss the opportunity to act on your own ideas. 3. How your ideas go to others. When you don't write in journals, your ideas and problems often end up as random internet searches or casual conversations without proper documentation. Questions like how to start a business or how to improve creativity can be used by someone else for their research or to create actionable solutions. This is why journaling is essential. It allows you to properly utilize your thoughts and ensure your ideas work for you instead of becoming opportunities for others. Why is journaling important, and how can it change your life? Let's dive into some key points to understand how journaling can bring positive changes to your life. 1. Capturing memories. Imagine knowing exactly what you were thinking, doing, or feeling a year ago. Journaling helps you capture those small but significant moments of your life. I have had positive experiences with journaling, and reading my old entries shows me how my priorities have evolved. It's a powerful way to celebrate your growth and milestones, such as, what was the most memorable moment from 10 years ago? What did I achieve 5 years ago that made me feel proud? 2. Managing thoughts and feelings. Are you struggling with stress, anxiety, or self-doubt? Journaling is a powerful tool to organize your mind. Writing down your negative thoughts gets them out of your head and onto paper, helping you feel lighter and more focused. Julia Cameron's book, The Artist's Way, introduces the concept of morning pages, where you write 3 pages every morning to clear your random thoughts and worries. For me, journaling acts as a mental detox, especially when I feel confused or overwhelmed, such as, what is the most troubling thought in my mind right now? How can I resolve this situation? 3. Guiding decisions and actions. Journaling is not just about managing feelings, it gives you clarity for making important decisions in life. Tim Ferriss, in his book Tools of Titans, discusses the fear-setting exercise. This involves categorizing your fears and thinking of actionable solutions to overcome them, such as, what's the worst that could happen if I take this step? What will my life look like a year from now if I don't take this step? Now that you've learned how journaling can help manage your thoughts and feelings effectively, let's explore how you can incorporate it into your daily life. How to start journaling. Simple steps to begin. Step 1. Keep it simple. Do not overwhelm yourself at the beginning. Dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes daily. Use a physical notebook or try digital tools like Notion, Evernote, or Day One. Step 2. Use prompts. Using prompts makes it easier to start and helps guide your thoughts. For example, what new thing did I learn today? What is my biggest priority right now? These prompts help you organize your thoughts and give direction to your journaling. Step 3. Build consistency. The real magic of journaling lies in consistency. Set a fixed time for daily or weekly journaling. Morning journaling or bedtime entries are some of the best ways to incorporate this habit into your routine. When you start small and keep it simple, journaling doesn't feel overwhelming. Using prompts gives your thoughts structure, and maintaining consistency helps turn it into a habit over time. As you gradually integrate journaling into your daily life, you can explore advanced levels to deepen its impact. Let's dive into the different levels of journaling and understand how to elevate this practice further. Level 1. Daily reflection. This is the most basic level of journaling. At this stage, you simply write about what you did during the day and how you felt about it. Matthew Dix's book Storyworthy introduces a technique called homework for life, where you write down the most impactful memory of each day. This practice helps you realize the value of small, meaningful moments in life, such as, what was the most memorable moment of today? What new thing did I learn today? Is there something I'd like to repeat from today? This level is ideal for capturing the essence of your daily life while fostering awareness and gratitude. Ready to explore the next levels? Let's move forward. Level 2. Gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling rewires your mind towards positivity. According to studies, people who practice gratitude journaling tend to be happier and experience less stress. John Gottman, a renowned relationship expert, recommends the I appreciate technique. This involves noting down the qualities you admire in others, helping foster appreciation and deeper connections, such as, what are 3 things I am thankful for today? Who are the most important people in my life and why? Level 3. Future planning and fear setting. This is the advanced level of journaling, where you address your future goals and fears. Tim Ferriss introduces the concept of fear setting in his book, which involves Tim Ferriss's fear setting exercise is a powerful technique that helps us understand and confront our fears. It is divided into 3 main parts. 1. Fear categorization. First, identify your fears. Understand what you are afraid of and write it down clearly. Naming your fears makes them less confusing and easier to tackle. 2. Steps to face them. Find solutions for each fear. Think about what you can do to face that fear. Break it down into actionable steps that can be implemented immediately. 3. Analyze the worst-case scenario. Consider the worst possible outcome if your fear comes true. When you analyze it, you'll realize it's often not as bad as it seems, and you can also figure out ways to recover from it. This exercise helps us take control of our fears and live a better, more fulfilling life, such as, if I weren't worried about money or judgment, what would I do? What will my life look like in 5 years if I continue on this path? What changes could I make today to create a positive impact in the long run? Now that you understand the different levels of journaling, the question arises, how can you incorporate these practices effectively into your daily life? Let's explore actionable steps to make journaling a seamless and impactful part of your routine. Let's understand this. Tip 1. Try morning pages. Spend 10 minutes in the morning writing down random thoughts. This practice will help clear your mind. Tip 2. Combine with digital tools. Use apps like Notion or Day One to track and analyze your entries effectively. Tip 3. Experiment with prompts. Change your prompts from time to time to gain fresh perspectives. Tip 4. Conduct weekly reviews. Review your entries every week and try to identify patterns and insights. So friends, today we explored how journaling can bring clarity, positivity, and growth into your life. Icons like Oprah Winfrey, Tim Ferriss, and Julia Cameron considered journaling their secret to success. If they have made it a habit, you can too. Let us know in the comments which journaling level you plan to try. In the next video, we'll discuss 25 secret habits and 25 books in just 25 days. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and share. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.